We've just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes B-Class diesel. It's the AMG Sport. It's in lovely condition. It's got the darker alloy wheels, finished in lovely grey. Privacy glass to the rear. It's got reverse park camera, sat nav. It's got quite a lot of extras on it actually. Drives really well. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the load cover there. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Got satellite navigation. Radio, Bluetooth media as well if you want it. Just start it up. Cruise control as well. Reverse camera. Multifunction steering wheel. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.